For decades, the V8 engine has been the heartbeat of the American pickup truck. The rumble, the torque, the identity. From job sites to drag strips, V8 power has defined trucks from Ford Motor Company and Ram trucks. But now, as we move into 2026, many enthusiasts are asking a serious question. Is the V8 officially dead? With tighter emission standards, hybrid powertrains, turbocharged V6 engines, and full electrification accelerating faster than ever, both Ram and Ford are reshaping their engine lineups. Yet the reality is more complex than headlines suggest. Let's break it all down clearly, with expert insights into what's happening, why it's happening, and what it really means for truck buyers. The decline of the traditional V8. The V8 isn't disappearing overnight, but its dominance is fading. Automotive powertrain engineer Mark Ellison explains, the V8's biggest enemy isn't performance, it's regulation. Modern turbocharged engines can now match or exceed V8 torque with better efficiency and lower emissions. That's the key point. For decades, the V8 offered natural aspiration simplicity, massive displacement torque, proven durability, emotional sound and feel. But modern turbocharged V6 engines and hybrid systems now deliver equal or higher torque, better fuel economy, lower emissions, stronger low RPM response. The numbers are changing the narrative. 2026 Ram engine lineup explained. 1. The end of the 5.7-liter HEMI, for now. For years, the 5.7 HEMI V8 defined the Ram 1500. It was powerful, loud, and dependable. But for 2026, Ram has largely shifted away from the HEMI in favor of its new twin-turbo inline-6 platform. Industry analyst Carla Mendez notes, the HEMI wasn't killed because it lacked power. It was killed because it couldn't compete on fleet emissions and efficiency targets. The HEMI's fuel economy simply couldn't keep pace with modern boosted engines. 2. The 3.0L Hurricane twin-turbo inline-6. The real story for Ram in 2026 is the Hurricane 3.0L twin-turbo inline-6. This engine replaces the HEMI in most trims and produces around 420 horsepower, standard output, up to 540 horsepower, high output variant. Massive low-end torque, better fuel economy than the outgoing V8. Powertrain consultant David Herrera explains, inline-6 engines are naturally balanced and smoother than V8s. Add twin turbos and you get diesel-like torque with gas engine refinement. In many tests, the Hurricane actually outperforms the old 5.7-liter HEMI, especially in towing and acceleration. That's the uncomfortable truth for V8 loyalists. 3. Ram HD still keeps a V8 for now. The heavy-duty lineup tells a different story. Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks still offer 6.4-liter HEMI V8 gas, 6.7-liter Cummins inline-6 diesel HD trucks operate under different regulatory pressure because of their commercial classification. Truck market strategist Leo Martinez states, the V8 will survive longer in heavy-duty applications because customers demand proven durability over marginal efficiency gains. But even here, electrification and hybrid assist systems are looming on the horizon. 2026 Ford engine lineup explained. Ford is taking a slightly different path. 1. The 5.0L Coyote V8 still lives. Unlike Ram, Ford has not completely abandoned the V8. The 5.0L Coyote V8 continues in the F-150 lineup. Why? Because it still sells. Automotive economist Brian Calloway explains. Ford understands emotional loyalty. The V8 is a brand asset. As long as it meets emissions targets, Ford will keep it alive. The modern Coyote V8 now features direct injection, variable valve timing, cylinder deactivation in some calibrations, improved thermal efficiency. It's more advanced than many realize. 2. EcoBoost dominance. Still, the majority of F-150 buyers now choose EcoBoost engines. The 2.7-liter and 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engines deliver high torque at low RPM, excellent towing performance, better fuel economy than the V8, strong real-world drivability. Senior engineer Rachel Kim comments, modern turbo engines are torque machines. For towing and daily driving, they often feel stronger than naturally aspirated V8s. That's the shift in consumer behavior. Torque matters more than cylinder count. 3. PowerBoost Hybrid. Ford's biggest long-term play may be the PowerBoost Hybrid. This system combines 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, electric motor, onboard generator capability. It delivers impressive horsepower and instant torque while improving fuel economy. Hybrid systems are increasingly important for meeting emissions standards without sacrificing performance. So is the V8 dead? The answer is nuanced. In light-duty half-ton trucks, Ram has largely replaced the V8 with the Hurricane i6. Ford still offers the 5.0 V8, but sees EcoBoost sales dominate. In heavy-duty trucks, V8 gas engines remain. Diesel inline-six engines continue strong. Electrification is approaching slowly. Powertrain historian Michael Grant summarizes it perfectly. The V8 isn't dead. It's no longer the default. That's the key shift. Why automakers are moving away from V8s. 1. Emissions regulations. Governments worldwide are tightening CO2 and NOx standards. 2. Fuel economy requirements. Corporate average fuel economy (CAFE) targets push manufacturers towards smaller displacement engines. 3. Packaging and weight. Inline 6 and V6 engines are lighter and more compact. 4. Electrification strategy. Turbocharged engines pair better with hybrid systems. Performance comparison. V8 versus turbo versus hybrid. In many real-world tests, turbo V6 engines match V8 acceleration. Inline 6 turbo engines exceed traditional V8 torque. Hybrids deliver instant torque plus better fuel economy. Where the V8 still wins: sound and character, simplicity, fewer turbo components, long-term mechanical familiarity. Where it loses: efficiency, emissions compliance, corporate fleet averages. What this means for truck buyers in 2026. If you want a V8, Ford still offers one in the F-150. Ram HD still offers one. Long-term availability is uncertain, but not immediate extinction. If you want maximum torque and performance, the Hurricane i6 may outperform the old HEMI. EcoBoost engines deliver strong towing capability. Hybrid systems offer surprising power. If you want future-proof technology, hybrid powertrains are safer long-term bets. Full EV trucks are expanding rapidly. The emotional factor, image. Let's be honest. The V8 isn't just metal and pistons, it's culture, it's sound, it's identity. But as industry consultant Jenna Alvarez notes, nostalgia doesn't determine engineering decisions. Profit margins and regulations do. That's the reality of 2026. Final verdict. The V8 is changing, not dying. The V8 is no longer king of the half-ton market, but it's not extinct. Instead, it's becoming specialized. It's surviving where it still makes financial sense. It's slowly being replaced by smarter, more efficient technology. The future belongs to turbocharged six-cylinders, hybrid systems, electrification. Yet for now, the V8 still roars, just not as loudly or as widely as before. And that may be the most honest answer of all.